What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to show you 5 dividend growth stocks that are down. They have consistent dividend hikes. I'm going to do a review on some dividend stocks that you guys wanted me to do a review on. I have a surprise one for you guys. And these 5 dividend growth stocks, the prices are down, and one of them is a major underdog. And one of them, this one I used to own, and I'm considering rebuying. So smash that like button. And again, hit that notification bell after you subscribe. Let's check these stocks out right now. The first one I want to go over is Bank of America. It's sitting at $36.13 with a dividend yield of 2.32%. PE ratio of 10.30. The volume is 50.80 million. Market cap is 290.97 billion US dollars. Its year range is 32.96 to 50.11. Its day range was 34.66 to 34.26. And its previous close is 33.84. So it's taking a hit against the S&P. The financial sector stocks are taking a hit in the past few weeks. So this is one that many dividend investors are capitalizing on. Let me show you their dividend history. Revenue-wise, they have done well, so I'm really not going to go over them revenue-wise because they're a very successful bank, and they're a very strong financial sector stock. Now, let me show you their dividend history. 2016, 5 cents. Then they jumped to 8 cents. 2017, they jumped to 12 cents. Then 2018, they jumped to 15 cents. 2019, they hit 18 cents. Now, you can see the pandemic. It was a little bit of a slow dividend hike. But they went from 18 cents to 21 cents. So in the past 5 years, they have increased their dividend 4 times. Their payout ratio is 24%. I almost said 24 cents. Annualized dividend growth is 16.78%. The annual dividend yield is 2.48%. And the annual dividend, if you bought one share, would be 84 cents. So this makes sense why this is a really strong dividend growth stock. This is why many dividend investors are capitalizing on this stock. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. And Pepsi is another stock that many dividend investors are capitalizing on. By the way, Dapper Dividends, congratulations on getting to 100 shares. I got to give you kudos for that. Pepsi is sitting at 166.37, and they're not doing too hot against the S&P right now, which makes them an attractive dividend growth stock. Dividend yield is 2.77%. The PE ratio is 22.75. The volume is 5.53 million. Market cap is 230.03 billion US dollars. Its year range was 144.61 to 177.62. Its day range was 163.57 to 166.95. Its previous close was 162.21. Let's jump to their dividend history. Look at how strong they are as a dividend stock. Now, don't forget, I'm literally looking in my apartment complex and I see Quaker. I have Quaker Oats every day. They own Frito-Lay. They own Gatorade. They're not just a beverage company. They also have a lot of snacks. And Frito-Lay is very strong right now. Just go to the store and see how many times people are buying Frito-Lay and it's on their shopping carts. So right here, it's at 75 cents in 2016. 2017, it jumps up to 81 cents. And then 2018, 93 cents. In 2019, 96 cents. Then 2020, 102. Then 108 in 2021. And then 2022, it was 115. The payout ratio is 68%. The number of dividend increases in the past 5 years is 6. Annualized dividend growth for 5 years is 6.72%. And if you bought one share, you would make $4.30 a year with a dividend yield of 2.65%. That's very attractive right now as a dividend stock that has taken a little bit of a hit. That looks like an excellent dividend growth stock. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. And how can you not talk about their rival, Coca-Cola? Now, Pepsi's revenue is doing fantastic. Coca-Cola is slowly creeping up there with their revenue. They're doing a really good job, and they're down against the S&P in the past few years. They're keeping up with them, and now they're down. Sitting at $62.99 with a dividend yield of 2.79%, PE ratio of 26.59. The volume is 19.28 million. Market cap is 273.26 billion US dollars. Year range is 52.28 to 67.20. Day range was 61.59 to 63.10, and its previous close was 60.99. Let me show you their dividend history. This is one of the reasons why I have them on my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio. Look at this. 2016, they're 35 cents. 2017, 37 cents, 2018 39 cents, 2019 40 cents, 2020 41 cents, 2021 42 cents, and 2022 44 cents. So their payout ratio is 73%. Number of dividend increases in the past 5 years is 5. Annualized dividend growth in 5 years, 3.09%. Not bad. Annualized dividend yield percentage, 2.89%. And if you bought one share, you'd make 176 a year. So that's one thing. You know, people, beverage stocks, Pepsi, Coca-Cola. Pepsi does have food too. But Coca-Cola is acquiring beverage companies like Body Armor, the one that Kobe Bryant invested heavily in. RIP Kobe. I miss that guy. What an amazing athlete. But he bought into Body Armor, and, you know, Coca-Cola completely acquired Body Armor. So these guys are really starting to make some growth and some damage. Basically, like damage, like really dominating the competition along with Pepsi, and they're just a really good dividend growth stock. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. I have to bring these guys up again. Starbucks, they're sitting at 73.79. Look at that huge dip that happened. I mean, at one point in their peak, they were, what were they? Get up there. 125.97. Now they're 73.79. There's a huge dip there. Dividend yield of 2.66%, PE ratio of 19.72, volume 11.87 million, market cap is 84.50 billion. Year range was 68.39 to 126.32. 68.39. If you got it when the dip happened like that, kudos to you. Day range is 72.57 to 74.27. Previous close is 73.39. So let's check out their dividend history. And one thing really good about Starbucks is their stock split history. They have a significant stock split history. So 2016, they're at 20 cents. 2017, 25 cents. 2018, 30 cents. 2019, 36 cents. 2020, 41 cents. Then 2021, 45 cents. Then they cracked 49 cents in 2022. So the payout ratio is 59%. Number of dividend increases in the past 5 years is 5. Look at this annualized dividend growth in 5 years, 14.19%. Annual dividend, if you bought one share, you would make 196 right now. And the dividend yield is 2.67%. Let me show you the final one. This is one that may give you a surprise. I found this one is a very solid stock and has a lot of potential as a dividend growth stock. And that stock is Wendys. It's sitting at 16.59 with a dividend yield of 3.01%, PE ratio 18.80, volume 3.05 million, market cap 3.55 billion US dollars. Year range is 1577 to 2946. Its day range was 1650 to 1680, and its previous close is 1662. I will discuss why these guys have serious potential, but we need to go over their revenue real quick. This is in millions US dollars. 2015, 1,870, then 2016, 1,435, 2017, a little bit of a dip, 1,223. But look at 2018 to 2021. 2018, 1,589. 2019, 1,709, 2020, 1,733, 2021, 1,896. So they are jumping up in revenue, which is very attractive. There's a few other things that I think is really important about these guys. One, they're huge in advertisement now. I saw them on major, I think the college football playoff. They had Wendys as their advertisement. Two, they just started their breakfast. So they are a fast food restaurant that just adapted and changed to breakfast. So they also serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they're open a little bit earlier than they have in the past. So that's one thing these guys bring to the table. They're trying to compete with McDonald's. Hard to compete with McDonald's, but these guys are still making a name for themselves, and they are really starting to, let's just say, keep up with McDonald's. I'm not going to say they're going to beat McDonald's, but they're starting to keep up with McDonald's. So these guys are starting to expand. They're starting to get bigger. And internationally, they're starting to put a name for themselves. So let's check out their dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2011 with these guys. So they were 2 cents. 2012, they hit 4 cents. Then 2013, they hit 5 cents. Then 2015, they hit 6 cents. Then 2017, they hit 7 cents. 2018, 9 cents. Then they hit 10 cents. Then they hit 12 cents. Pandemic hit. They were a little careful, so they're at 5 cents, 7 cents, 9 cents, and 12 cents. And they just hiked their dividend to 13 cents. So I just wanted you guys to be aware of Wendys. Their payout ratio is 63%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 8. Annualized dividend growth is 5 years is 7.10%. Annual dividend, if you bought 1 share, you get 50 cents. And the dividend yield is 3.01%. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Start Dividend. You guys have a good one, and wish me luck on my exam tomorrow. Take care. Oh, one more thing. I also want to add that none of this is financial advice. So again, this is for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description, and I needed to add that in there as well. So again, as soon as you subscribe, smash that like button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Take care.